out here at the church again. Gonna do my Amazon mission.
0 feet altitude, 9 feet distance, 8 miles per hour, 99% battery.
And I forgot to throw my iPad in the box, so I'm using my phone, which isn't a bad thing. Only thing is it's not displaying a map. Well, my mission. Show my waypoints, but it's not showing me the ground. I don't really need it, but it's probably because I haven't updated my YouTube, not YouTube.
300 feet altitude,
Google.
157 feet distance, 6 miles per hour, 95% battery.
Google Maps in a while. I ain't been here in a couple days. It's 5 o'clock. A little after 5, getting dark out. Sunset's about 5:30. Would have came out a little sooner, but I was farting around my girlfriend's house. A little bit of a wind up there.
$299 feet altitude, 1,207 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 91% battery.
17 is pretty good. Probably, I'm guessing, the whole roof might be finished, or at least covered. Saw it looked a couple days ago. I forgot everything. Shit. Oh well. Wait a minute. No, I didn't. So many pockets. I'm looking for my lighter. I know I have it. Here it is.
$299 feet altitude, 2,398 feet distance, 15 miles per hour, 87% battery.
Not going all that fast. Yeah, it looks like the roof is covered. All the guys are gone. They park right there. It's usually about 30 cars, and I'm getting a wind warning. So it's windy up there.
$300 feet altitude, 3,388 feet distance, 7 miles per hour, 82% battery.
Should be doing 20. And I don't feel any wind down here again, so. The winds of February are higher. I feel a breeze now, but it just feels like a breeze. Can't believe I forgot to grab my damn iPad. Took it. I use it as a monitor for my surveillance camera too. So I unhooked it, Forgot to throw it in my bag.
299 feet altitude. 4,285 feet distance. 14 miles per hour. 78% battery.
It's getting dark. I probably won't even think about flying this weekend. It's going to be supposed to go down to 2 below Saturday night. But knowing me, I'll probably do it anyway. I like to go on Sundays and get my low level.
.299 feet altitude. 5,020 feet distance. 17 miles per hour. 74% battery.
Just a little bit left. Must be dark in there with no sunlight now. I'm sure they got some lights up. They got generators all over. I think I counted all together like something like 26 propane tanks that are here. Like right now,
299 feet altitude. 4,222 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 70% battery.
I'm using the iPhone so I can't see a lot on the ground. I always notice it when I get back. Over here, I came damn close on my low level to running into a telephone pole. That actually wasn't there a week ago. So I gotta watch out for them because they're gonna probably put a few more in. That one right there, that was not there. The one right there, that one. So those will be
299 feet altitude. 3,309 feet distance.
popping
8
up.
miles per hour. 66% battery.
Very slow ride. Here's a Wednesday night. What time is it? Shit, 20 after already. I only got about 10 minutes of sunlight. Should have left a little earlier. I was playing around, talking to my girlfriend.
.299 feet altitude. 4,152 feet distance. 13 miles per hour. 62% battery.
Then I got to stop at the drugstore to get some drugs. It's cold. I might get in the car. My hands are freezing. I gotta get in the car because my hands are freezing. Trying to get the keys out. Here we go. Boy, this is a slow trip.
299 feet altitude, 4,876 feet distance, 15 miles per hour, 58% battery.
Fire this bitch up. Definitely on the boring side, but it's all about documenting it. Can make one hell of a good video when the place is built. I'm gonna see if I can get inside and take some pictures inside too. That would be awesome.
299 feet altitude, 4,068 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 54% battery.
How to build a distribution center without knowing. I have an overexposure setting. I can tell when it's exposed because it looks like zebra stripes. It helps me in this kind of light. With the setting. So it's going to turn now and go back up to the corner, and I'll be able to get my still shot for the time lapse I've been keeping.
300 feet altitude, 3,868 feet distance, 10 miles per hour, 50% battery.
Having trouble with the signal going in and out. I'm inside the car. Gonna have to do this, then come straight back, because this is taking a long time. 13 minutes. I got about 8 minutes of battery left.
299 feet altitude, 4,678 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 45% battery.
I don't have the satellite portion of my map isn't displaying. I'll pause it here.
$299 feet altitude, 5,315 feet distance.
It's still there.
0 miles per hour, 41% battery.
One there. That's good. Let's come back. See, if this part here is overexposed, the software fixes it. I put a filter over this over the video. They have a bunch of presets that are pretty cool. They basically do the same effect as putting one of those lenses, those filters on the camera itself. But I think you really can't tell a difference. if it's software or if it's a real filter. So if it's overexposed a little, that's
299 feet altitude, 5,052 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 36% battery.
Hopefully I'll have a little bit better speed coming back. I should. My picture's cutting in and out, so I kind of don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, he's got the sniffles. 34% battery. Been flying for 15 minutes. Got about 5 minutes left. See, now the picture's going to get a little grainy too, because it's we're losing light. It's picking up speed now. It's going to have tail.
299 feet altitude, 4,242 feet distance, 17 miles per hour, 32% battery.
Kind of miss the iPad. Used to looking at the bigger screen. Slowing down again.
Mission ended. 298 feet altitude, 3,613 feet distance, 38 miles per hour, 27% battery.
I was gonna let it come home on its own, but I figured I'm better off coming back fast.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Plus I don't want to hear the fucking beeping. Still got a little battery to play around with.
Warning, aircraft battery at 22%. (298 feet altitude, 848 feet distance, 37 miles per hour, 21% battery.
And now let it come home.
Warning, aircraft battery at 20%.
Try to time it so I use most of the battery up. About 18 minutes, 48 seconds. Got about 2 minutes left.
Warning, aircraft battery at 17%. 297 feet altitude, 45 feet distance, 8 miles per hour, 15% battery.
Looks perfect right there.
Warning, aircraft battery at 14%.
There he is. right next to me.
Warning, aircraft battery at 13%.
Like a good little soldier.
1 feet altitude, 10 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 12% battery.
Huh. That was a good flight. It was slow because the wind up there that I can't really feel it on the ground, but it is a cold breeze. It's chilly. So anyways, good flight. 20 minutes, 21 seconds. D-Dub is out.